Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show send message button on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Video games and the internet go together like there is a mountain to it on a play. You needn't seek an arcade's bustling crowds or wrangle friends together for coach gaming. You can enjoy cooperating with or competing against people from across the globe using Discord. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to create Discord, how to manage Discord account, and now what if you want to uh, show the send buttons on Discord message. It's very simple. First of all, of course, how to open our Discord. And from here, as you can see in here, there's no send button on this message on Discord. And now I want to show it how to do it. It's very simple. So you can go to settings on your user settings on Discord. From here, you can just scroll down. You can go to accessibility. From accessibility, you can just scroll down until you find there is an option chat input. You see, there is an option show send message button. You can enable this feature by tapping the toggle in here. So now you can see there's a send button on your Discord message. So when you want to send message on Discord, you type the message. You don't need to press the enter key. You can just click on here. It's very simple, right? And if you want to hide it again, you can just go to accessibility settings and you can turn off the toggle in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to show send button on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you.